Hello everyone. So today topic is based on the GPT-3 model. So firstly, I can introduce only what is a GPT-3 model. GPT-3 stands for the Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. It is a deep learning model trained on the 175 plus million parameter that make it the best for most NLP tasks. GPT-3 is the third generation of GPT-3 language model created by their OpenAI that is focused on their text generation. It is based on the being pre-trained on a huge amount of text. This model is a sequence to sequence deep learning model that can produce the sequence of text given an input sequence. How GPT-3 model work? GPT-3 was trained using a combination of their large text data sets. Firstly, they use a common raw dataset, then they use a web text, then they use a book. Other dataset is a wikipedia. The final dataset contain a large portion of web pages from the internet. Researchers use this dataset with the hundred of billion of words to train a GPT-3 to generate a text in English in several after other language. So I can show you their small implementation of GPT-3 model, how they can generate a text. So here in this, how we can use a GPT-3 model for generating a text using a Python. So firstly, we need to install a PyTorch transformer. Then you can install, then you can import a pipeline library. Then other, I'm going to load a GPT-3 model. So here you can see I can load the GPT-3 model. Then I can pass some random text, then use a generative function that in this we can pass a maximum length and do samples and the temperature. Then here I can show the our result print. Then in the output you can see they generate a text. Here I can give the only this movie is text. Now when I can upload download a model GPT-3 model, then they can generate a text. This is the thriller, and the thriller is at the same time say generate any type of text. Thank you. This is the all over how they can GPT-3 generate a text.